Hello and welcome to the new style Edexcel GCSEs. These are the ones that go from grades 9 through to grade 1. This is paper 1 MA1/3H. It's the third paper in the higher tier. It is a calculator paper, so we are allowed to use calculators, and we're picking up in question 2. Asif is going on holiday to Turkey. The exchange rate is £1 equals 3.5601 lira. Asif changes £550 to lira. Work out how many lira he should get. Give your answer to the nearest lira. I know under time pressure the temptation is just to grab your calculator and start mashing buttons. Just let's take a deep breath and make sure we're doing the right thing. Are we multiplying? Are we dividing? What are we doing? So if £1 is just over 3 lira, then £2 would be 6 lira, £3 would be 9 lira, and so on. So we're going to expect that our answer is going to come to much bigger than 550. So we're multiplying. So we're taking the 550 and we're multiplying it by 3.5601. And just a quick reality check. If this was 3 lira for every £1, and if this was just £500, then we would expect £1,500. So so if the figure comes out to something wildly different, we know we've done something wrong. So let's take our calculator and let's do 550 times 3.5601. That's 1958.055, which we're asked to give to the nearest lira, so that's 1958. 1958. Okay, Asif sees a pair of shoes in Turkey. The shoes cost 210 lira. Asif does not have a calculator. He uses £2 equals 7 lira to work out the approximate cost of the shoes in pounds. Use £2 equals 7 lira to show that the approximate cost of the shoes is £60. Okay, so if £1 was 7 lira, what would that make it? So we've got 210. This time we are dividing because we're trying to get down to a lower figure. We've got 210 lira and we're dividing by 7, and again we're not using a calculator because Asif doesn't have a calculator, although technically you can use a calculator. It is a calculator paper. It wouldn't be cheating, but the idea of this is to show how simple it is to do in your head. 3 times 7 is 21, so that's equal to £30. But it's not £1 equals 7 lira, it's £2 equals 7 lira. So then we've got £30 times 2 is equal to £60, which is what we should expect it to come as, seeing as that's what we're supposed to show. Okay, so part C is using £2 equals 7 lira instead of £1 equals 3.5601 lira a sensible start to Asif's method. To work out the cost of the shoes in pounds, you must give a reason for your answer. Well, I think it's perfectly sensible. So I'm going to write £2 equals 7 lira is roughly, or actually no, it's exactly £1 equals 3.5 lira, which is close to 3.5601, and for relatively small amounts of money, a close enough approximation. Okay, I hope that was helpful, and I'll see you in another video.